Alright guys, we're gonna do lunch at Relish. This is gonna be good. It's been a while since we've had Relish. And you know, they're big burgers. We usually get a double. We split it. We're not big eaters. Let's eat. This is the double tasty fries, cheese sauce on the side.
Got some curry ketchup, Parmesan, garlic,
And some Cajun. We got some cheese fries. It's so steamy. It's good. This is a tasty burger. It's got spicy mayo, it's got curry ketchup, lettuce, tomato, pickles, onions. It's good. It's really good. Alright, your turn. It's a mess.
Yeah, you don't go here to be clean.
I know, right? But it's so tasty. The burger's still really hot. Curry ketchup. That's where it's at. The curry ketchup. The cheese sauce is delicious. Mix that with the garlic parm. If you have not tried curry ketchup, you need to try it. I've tried making it at home and it doesn't nearly compare to Relish's curry ketchup. So, come and try it. As tasty as these burgers are, they're very messy. So you will go through quite a few napkins, but they're delicious. So Jared likes the Cajun seasoning. I just tried it. I'm not a fan. And I do like some heat, but garlic Parmesan is my speed. Last bite. Ooh, mess. That was a delicious lunch. If you have not been to Relish, it never disappoints. We're gonna head to Target, I think, and we will catch you guys later.